Guys, what's up? It's Paro on MCPE. For today's video, I'm gonna tell you why I won't play on Donut SMP for now. Because I lost my spawner, the skeleton spawner, when I was at the end. I died in the void. I fall. And now I'm not going to make any videos about Donut SMP. For now, I'm going to make a tutorial on farms, how to get rich on Donut SMP. But I won't play in the Donut SMP. I will only talk about it, not play. Because I'm frustrated. I AFK'd for 8 hours. And then I only lost it because I died in the void. I am frustrated so much. That's why I won't play Donut SMP for now. Also guys, once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will make a big giveaway. I will give a free skeleton spawner for free. DM me on Discord. I will send the link in the comments. I'm sorry for mispronunciation. I'm Asian, by the way. So that's it for now, guys. See you later. I will make another video later. For now, I won't play Donut SMP because I'm frustrated, I'm angry, and I'm tired. I wanna sleep for now. Okay, see you guys. Bye.